Hello, welcome up guys, I am Ariovit and in this tutorial I want to show you how to change your language on Facebook. I will show you how to do it, so you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. So first what you need to do is click on settings and privacy after login, and now you here have language. Okay. And now language and region settings, Facebook language. You click here on edit and you may set language which you need, English, UK, US. Okay, click save changes and you did it. So that was a very fast tutorial, helpful. So you may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and bye bye. See you next time. Thanks.